it's our faculty. We are very diverse. We are of all ages. We work as hard as our students work. And one of the things you're always told by the students is that they feel like they know their faculty. They feel like their faculty are there for them.
I feel like we don't get lost as just a number. I feel like I have a personal relationship with every one of my instructors that they actually want you to succeed. You're not just sitting in the classroom listening to lecture and then feeling outside of the classroom that you're on your own. They provide all the resources.
We are really very interactive. We're hands-on even in the classroom. So you're not gonna walk into the class and just have a PowerPoint go up and somebody read it to you. We don't learn that way.
The A-State Nursing Department has wonderful facilities. They have a great lab, and so I feel like that has helped really prepare me in the accelerated program.
So we started simulation many, many years ago. Probably I'm gonna say 12 plus years ago. So we've been doing this for a while. And we've actually got low fidelity simulation as well as the high fidelity, the really fancy mannequins that they talk to you, they breathe. And we have our students come into the sim lab on a regular basis so that we can recreate reality.
You really get experience with kind of the hands-on with IV starts and different skills that you're going to need when you get to the clinical setting, all done on mannequins in what is a very real simulation lab.
Just like it would be in the hospital, we've got all those resources and tools. Makes it big for us to, when we do go to the hospital, we're not so amazed that we've never seen these things. It's just transferring the information we learned from that mannequin to now this is a human being.
And then the thing that we do is if we make mistakes, we talk about them, we learn from them, and then we can go out into practice and those mistakes won't happen. And so that's one of probably the things that the students love it.
And with the reinforcement that they've been able to put in doing real life simulations with a mannequin, you're able to get that real life feel to where when it's a patient and something doesn't go according to how you initially thought, you're prepared to handle that appropriately.
Arkansas State really strives to create a community, and they have done that in Northeast Arkansas, and I love that about A-State.